Hello, my dear friends. So in this section, we learned the structure of strings and how to use their very useful methods. We also learned about data type conversion. So now let's make a simple example using what we've learned. So let's try to program an email generator. I think you can do it if you follow along. But first, let's think about how we're going to do it. We do need a username first. So we create a variable named user and ask for the value to be entered by the user. But what if the user entered value contains a space character? That's going to be a problem, right? If we use the replace method, then we can resolve the problem. Great, so now we need to create another variable named company name and ask for the value to be entered by the user. Also, we need to use the replace method again and define it for a variable as well. All right, so let's continue. And now we create another variable named email address and okay, so you've got that, but there's still one step left. So if the user entered values have capitalized letters, well, it might cause a problem. Of course, it just won't look very good. So we can also use the lower method to resolve this problem. All right, so let's run the code. Now let's enter a name like John Doe. And well, company name, I don't know, ABCZ. So here's the result, John Doe at abcz.com. That's pretty cool, huh? So that does it. Our program's done. Thank you very much. However, there's a lot more to learn. So I want to see you in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice day.